Little storyteller.
Fifi, a little desert fox with bright, curious eyes and a bushy tail, adjusted her tiny camera. Beside her, Foxy, another small fox, with playful ears and even fluffier fur, bounced with excitement. "Ready, Foxy?" Fifi squeaked. Foxy nodded so hard his ears flopped. "Ready to be super survival experts. Our documentary starts now," Fifi announced to the wide sunny desert. Tall green cacti stood like giants around them. "Our first amazing plant is the cactus," Fifi said importantly. "It lives in the hot desert, so how does it get water?" She looked at Foxy. Foxy puffed out his cheeks until they looked like round balloons. "Like this," he squeaked, holding his breath. Fifi giggled, filming him. "Exactly," she said. "The cactus is like a big water balloon. It stores water inside so it doesn't get thirsty in the sun." "Now for our next super survivor," Fifi said, pointing to a light brown, round plant on the sandy ground. "The tumbleweed." Foxy's eyes widened. "Ooh, I know this one," he cried. He tucked his head down and rolled over and over, somersaulting across the sand. His fluffy fur bounced with each roll. "The tumbleweed travels," Fifi explained, filming Foxy's energetic performance. "When the wind blows, it rolls and rolls, scattering its tiny seeds so new tumbleweeds can grow in different places." Foxy finally stopped rolling, a little dizzy but grinning. "We did it, Fifi. Our documentary is going to be amazing." A little fluffy bunny with long ears hopped by. "What are you two doing?" she asked, curiously, her nose twitching. "We're making a film about how plants survive in the desert," Fifi explained proudly. "We learned that even though the desert is dry, plants have clever ways to live here." The bunny's eyes widened. "That's so interesting." Fifi smiled. "It is. And do you know what else is interesting? Just like plants have special ways to live in the desert, everyone has their own special skills." Foxy nodded happily. "It's fun to learn about them."
Please subscribe. Thank you.